So dishes were being washed the other day. Breaking news. Mortar has been used for 12,000 years.
It's time for a change that I'm stuck on.
Stick with us.
And stick your finger on that like and subscribe button below.
Back to your program.
Mom, you did it again.
Not it.
Looks like it's time to get started. Poof, what do you need?
Yes! Okay, so first we have to go to the store. We need mortar, we need grout, we need a grout spreader thingy, we need a sponge, we need tiles.
I hate mortar. I'd rather wrestle a bear.
Don't do that. Surely there's an easier way. Come on now, think.
Okay, mortarless tile. Go.
Is that even a thing?
It is. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Sure, why not? Let's go.
Okay. Wait, what are you doing with that?
It's Hardy Backer.
I thought we don't need that because we're not using mortar.
Yeah, but it'll help make it stiff so that way the tile doesn't go anywhere.
Okay, if you say so.
Let's go.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?
Ooh, what's that?
It's a tile cutter.
What do we need that for?
To cut the tile.
Okay, but is that actually gonna work? This is a thick tile.
Yeah, watch.
You just ripped the instructions.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack.
Wait, so we're gonna use this instead of mortar?
Yeah, it's a giant sticker. Isn't that awesome?
This seems like a really bad idea, but whatever. Let's try it.
We'll find out when it falls.
I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds as I spread with every word that I've said.
Look, babe, no hands.
How's it supposed to feel?
Those went on so easy.
Even the baby helped.
Now it's grout time.
Wait, I thought we were done.
Nah, fool.
Thanks for sticking with us.
And if you like and subscribe right now, I'll show you a cute picture of a puppy.
Are you doing it?
Alright, thank you. Here it is.